So here is the setup, here is a topology, very common topology where one company is taking services of a data center, and this is data center 2 is kind of disaster recovery. So, and it is connected with AISP or a multiple ISP in carrier supporting carrier scenario. So data center 1 behind it has a storage, Nexus switching, Juniper switching, all switching is here, southbound. Same here, data center 2 has switching southbound to his edge devices, and they are connected. In simplicity, if we look at the figure, this R1 to R4, that's how connectivity, full mesh connectivity we are talking about. We are talking about routing and switching between these edge devices. I could think of few scenarios. Let's say router 1 to router 4, they are in the same autonomous system. So what will happen in that my IGP, let's say OSPF for example, my OSPF area 0 will float across router 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then let's say southbound here data center 1 OSPF 1 and data center 2 OSPF 2. So and area 0 would be across ISP, and we are running IBGP in between these four routers if required. So my query is this a good design, or there can be a better design? Now second scenario is router 1 and 2 is one AS, 3 and 4 is another AS, and they are running, let's say, EBGP in between them. So we have AS here, all IGP, OSPF or IS, we will redistribute in BGP. It will go to data center 1, they will take BGP into their IGP. I don't know, it's a good approach or not. So that they will now prefix end-to-end reachability would be there. Same IGP of data center 1 redistribute in BGP. BGP will take it to data center 2, and then they can reach prefix of each data center. And that is a good design. What are the questions? What are the requirements? Architect will pick which design. Another scenario or another way of R1 to R4 all are in different ASN number. That in that scene, what would be that R1 will be running eBGP with router 2, 3 and 4, and same for other routers as well. Router 4 would be running eBGP with router 1, 2 and 3. So or this is a good design. So my question or query is what is best practice, in what scenario, or in what are the pros and cons of each this design I'm talking about? Are there possibility of more designing, or there is or this is the common practice, this is the best practice? So that's my query is.